Hello friends. This video will help you to practice English conversations.
Listen, repeat, and practice out loud to improve your fluency.
Let's get started.
Basic personal questions. Listen and repeat. What's your name?
I am Mohan.
Where are you from?
I am from Dhaka, Bangladesh.
How old are you?
I am 30 years old.
When is your birthday?
It's on 10th January.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have an older brother.
Common small talk questions. How are you?
I am good, thanks. How about you?
What do you do?
I am an English teacher.
What are you up to?
Just relaxing at home.
Have you had a busy day?
Yes, it has been quite hectic.
How was your weekend?
It was great. I went out with some friends.
Questions about daily life. What time is it?
It's 3:30 p.m.
Do you prefer coffee or tea?
I prefer coffee.
What's for dinner?
I'm making pasta.
How's the weather?
It's sunny and warm today.
What's your morning routine like?
I wake up early, have breakfast, and go to work.
Travel and directions questions. Where is the nearest train station?
It's just around the corner.
How do I get to the airport?
Take a bus or taxi.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
Can you recommend a good place to visit?
Yes, the city center is beautiful and great.
How long does it take to get there?
About 20 minutes by a car.
Work and study questions. What's your job?
I work as a teacher.
Are you a student?
Yes, I study English.
How was work today?
It was really busy.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I love teaching.
What are you studying?
I'm studying business management.
Fun and casual questions. What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I especially like action movies.
What do you do for fun?
I like playing games and read.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I like photography.
What kind of music do you like?
I listen Islamic song.
Interview questions with smart answers. Tell me about yourself.
I am a dedicated professional with a passion for learning and growth.
What is your biggest weakness?
I sometimes take on so many tasks, but I'm learning prioritize.